Hi everyone! Today we are traveling to Keenan Hand-Dyed Yarns. Keenan Hand-Dyed Yarns is out of Michigan, and just look at how pretty all of those colors are. I found Keenan Hand-Dyed Yarns just by doing a simple Google search. It looks like she has colors of the month, and just look at how pretty those pinks and purples and violets are. They're absolutely gorgeous. And that looks like it's the March color of the month. Definitely looks a little bit like Irish, and I think that Ire, it says March color of the month, Ire. I believe that's an Irish word, but I could be wrong. February color of the month, Gra. Irish for love, there you go. Very pretty. I like that one. Looks like she has pattern and yarn bundles as well, blog posts. So if you're interested in checking out some of her yarn, her information is right down here. And I will definitely link this website in the description box down below so you can check that out as well. Let's go check out some yarn. So she's got a whole bunch of yarn up. I was specifically looking for fingering weight, sock weight, and in mini bundles. So here's one of her mini bundles. At the Beach mini skein set. So we've got, it looks like that yellow color for sand. We've got some teal and going into the darker blues, probably to represent the ocean or the sea. We have some more just yarns all over the place. She has a lot of yarns. Look at the Doodle Cowl yarn bundle. I really like those colors together. Just a lot of different colors and types of yarns on her site. I really like the fact that she's got something called scoundrel skeins. What is a scoundrel skein? It looks like these skeins are experimental, one-time color dyed yarns. So once you get it, that's it, which I think is a really kind of a neat thing to grab because you know you've got one of a kind. I really like this water lily sock yarn. Look at those colors. That's gorgeous. That's a 4-ply yarn. You get 463 yards, and it's got a softness rating of 3. So let's head into the mini sets, sock yarn mini sets. These are all of the different mini sets that she is offering at this time. I really like how the different colors, each skein is not the same color, but they all go together. It really will make for a unique and fun project. And she's kind of done all of the color work for us, picking these colors that go together so we don't have to. So again, that's Keenan Hand-Dyed Yarns. She's got some really fun, unique, vibrant yarn colors and really a lot of variety there. So check her out, check her website out. She's got so much fun things. I'm so glad that I found that website, and Google actually, gave me something I could use. So what did I buy from Keenan Hand-Dyed Yarns? Let's find out. So we're going to open this. Came in this nicely packaged little pink bubble wrap. Probably should have got some scissors. That's okay. Let's take a look. So I got 2 mini skein sets, springtime. So she put her little information on there. 5 mini skeins, 92 yards. Each has 20 grams. It looks like it's 75% merino and 25% nylon. And this one is called Springtime. I just love these. Look at them, they're so cute. So here we've got green, and then we've got a little bit more of like a mossy green. So we've got sort of a very neon green and then a darker kind of a mossy green. I do feel like some of that neon green is in that mossy green. Not a lot, but just a little bit that kind of ties those two skeins together. Now we've got blue. I could not resist the springtime. I mean, look at these colors. We've got a dark pink, just absolutely, just the prettiest colors together. And now we've got a very light pink. If I can hold these all up, you could see, I mean, how gorgeous. So there's like the weight of the yarn. It's very fine weight, which is what I was looking for, so I'm very happy with that. The second little mini skein package that I got was a rose color theme. So we've got a bunch of purples and pinks, and this is 5 mini skeins, 92 yards, 20 grams each, same as the other one, and of course 75% merino, 25% nylon. Here are all of those beautiful colors. We've got a very dark purple, a very vibrant pink. Let me hold up these two together. It's hard to tell with the camera, but this one is just a little bit darker than this one. They have the same type of hues. The camera is not picking it up perfectly. It's just a shade or a hue lighter. You can kind of see it there. And being that this is the rose themed, I'm loving how the colors are all of these vibrant pink colors that you usually see in roses. Now it's really soft, so I'm really happy with the feel of it. You can kind of see it up close. Let me just grab a strand. You can see it's very, very fine weight. I cannot wait to start on a project, and I have a project in mind, but that's for another video. I am just absolutely in love with these yarns. They're so much different than what I typically used to in like going to Joann or Michael's or, you know, a bigger box type store. These yarns are just super special. I'm really excited. For each of these, so I got 2 of them. Each of them I want to say about $30 to $35. You can go on the website. I should have done that as we were looking through. I believe it was like $35 for 5. So 5 mini skeins in pink was $35, which is a great deal, I think, for hand-dyed specialty yarn, and $35 for the springtime. Almost said summertime, but this was the springtime. They definitely are springtime colors, and I just love this kind of yarn because I feel like in the mini skeins, you can not have a specific project in mind and get these little guys and kind of try them out. Now, like I said before, I do have a project that is brewing in my brain. I actually was going through a bunch of different ideas, but for all of these independent yarn purchases that I make, I'm going to put them into one project. Initially, I thought, hey, I'm going to work a project for each independent yarn seller that I purchase from, but I'm really thinking that I want to put this into one big massive project. And then I will have this end project that reminds me of all of these independent yarn sellers that I purchase from. As much as I would like to do individual projects for each, I think the bigger project is the way to go. So I hope you enjoyed this mini haul independent yarn from Keenan Hand-Dyed Yarns in Michigan. So now we've been to Illinois and Michigan to purchase some yarn from these independent yarn dyers and sellers. So where are we going to go to next? I need some help. I found the place that I would like to purchase from. However, I cannot pick a yarn. There are so many options. So I need you guys to help me out with that. So I'm going to put up a poll so you guys can help me pick some yarn from this next independent or small yarn store. And that will be coming up shortly. Stay tuned for that. Until next time, happy yarn shopping, everyone. Bye.